Okay. Can you see the screen? Hello.
Yes, I can.
Yeah, you
Yes,
can see the screen, right?
Yes.
Okay. Open to page 9. Page 9, question 1, your logbook. I've already started already. Page 1, your logbook. Question 1. Okay. You all see the question is there. That is for number 1. And according to how we're going to submit, the first answer to our question project 1 is what I'm saying right now. Analysis. That's what is page 10. Analysis.
Okay.
If you are going through the discussion on how to fill the logbook, you have come across that they have steps on how to write it to answer the logbook.
You don't know the steps at all. I don't know the way to go about it. That was why.
What do you say?
I don't actually know the steps to go about it.
Okay, so the first step is for you to know the question very well, read the question, and know what you want to solve. So, and what they mean by analysis is how the project will look like what is being expected. That was all about analysis. So in coding, in visual basis, it's anything like analysis is for you to tell how it's going to look like or how is this thing how the design of the project look like and the portion of it. They want to write it down first by analysis, like they do it interpreting it.
Okay.
I'm coming and someone wants to record. So the analysis, this is answer for the analysis, but majority of people have this answer already, so we cannot write the same thing. Are you with me?
Yes, I'm with you.
Yes. So this is the answer, and what is being needed of us is just for us to write with our own handwriting, because what they'll be looking for in the marking guide is your handwriting, the steps, and also you doing the assignment. That is all. So they won't go into details if your coding is right or not or so and so. But if at all they pick randomly in every of your classes to test if the coding was is right, it's absolutely okay. So they won't give you minus for that. So all the coding that we inputting is right. So if you go to page 12 is design. Page 12 talk about the image. Let's say like you having a web page. So how the web page will look like. You have to draw it out. And in visual basis, we have two aspects. is that you draw it out and also put it in flow chart. So, and in this, in my own aspect, I'll give you both the diagram and the flow chart aspect. So you'll be drawing it and also be inputting the this thing. So I will send the
This one is inside our logbook.
yes, you draw it inside a logo, like the design page. That is the page you have to
Like,
draw.
Esther, page 12. So I want to ask a question. Can
What is
I
that?
ask?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, design, is it that you can either draw the flow charts or the main listing, or we are going to draw the both of them? Or
Yeah, it's both, and you can choose one. To make your own unique, you can choose one.
okay, you can choose one now.
Yes. What they need just that they want to make sure that you are also doing it. You're also submitting, you're also doing it. And your English might be the same or different. So the uniqueness is left to you right now. So the one I'm showing on the screen right now is analysis. Project one, which is how the program will look like. So the first one said, yeah, you can be writing it like this in different formats, or you can choose to write the same format. So in this aspect, different formats.
Write number 2 and number 1 first, right? Then number 1 has
this project one for page 10, analysis. The first, yes, page 10. The two spaces that is there, page 10 and 11. But this should contain page 10 alone.
okay.
So
sorry, what about the problem specification?
The problem specification. Yes, that is the first one. That's what the okay. That's the first step I just said earlier in before I go to the next step. That you have to know what you are doing first. You have to know the problem you're solving. That's what I said. So that is what is that is the first I was talking about what I call the problem specification. So by reading it, write the program to calculate the semester GPA. So showing your GDP and also so that one you don't need to write it. That one is already there already. So you can click the link back to come online, but I think it's very soon the time will be going now. So but not now, sure. If the logos are log us on. I'm trying to see if I can send the video of it.
But after this Zoom class, we'll be getting the PDF, right?
Yes, sure. Get it, get it the PDF. So you can choose to write it now or after the class. Since weekend is the last day for us to submit. Saturday.
I have a question.
What is that?
Okay, on this analysis, you said it should contain page 10 alone.
Yeah, assuming you have big handwriting, it contains page 11 as well. It's not more than that's one thing. It's not something as writing.
Okay, now I understand. That's my question. Like, what should be on page 11? I think analysis can extend to page 11.
Yes. Analysis.
Okay.
Page 10 and 11.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. About the design, I've not seen anything on the design.
Yes, I'm still going there. I have to be through with this first.
All right. Yeah.
I'm sorry, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I have a question.
What is that?
When you said that that is not you must copy the same thing, can we actually change those values? Like, yeah, you kept 70. Can we change those values?
Yes, 70, that
Or
is
is
the, okay, you can change it to, I think it's the standard value for Unilag, University of Lagos, as your course
Oh.
maybe. So it doesn't matter, the value doesn't matter, it's just the word postures, or let me say, how you put that in your watch, I don't know. You can also copy as it is like this, it doesn't matter as well. When they are marking it, they don't mark it individually, like, not like that. So,
Thank you.
yeah, welcome. Okay, so after the class, I will still share the link for the class, the PDF rather.
Okay, like this guy said something
What is that?
under the implementation, because I asked a guy from our Department of Computer Science, under the implementation, he said, like, you're going to print something and attach it. Is there anything like that?
Yeah, the implementation. You are right, but if I have to print it, according to what is being said, they said we should write it, then screenshot with a mask number on top. If we check your LMS, the announcement made by the lecturer in your LMS account. So it was said that we should write, scan, and put in PDF or send in JPEG. So if we print it, they might think that okay, just go and copy someone or copy some code from nowhere. They want us to write it down. That's what I think.
Okay.
So you writing that can even give you more higher chances and making more difference because it's you writing it down. That means you actually give a step or you actually go to a lot to get it. They know that we are not a computer like that of everything. But if you actually contribute a little of it to them, they will really appreciate.
So please can you scroll back up a little from the first page?
Okay.
The analysis for the first one. Sorry, first project. Sorry.
That is first project. I'll be dropping the PDF of this very soon. I want to send it to the second one. Where you guys write it, that's what. Let me just go down. I'll still come back up. This project 2. Are we all saying it?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
project 2. So the same thing they're asking of us in assignment 1, they're asking of us in assignment 2. So this assignment 2, we go to page 16. So it's the same thing they're asking of us. So that one talk about Pythagoras theorem. So how can you use it to calculate to do calculation using Fisher basis. So this is how you go through it. As when we through the step and I show you this thing, the coding and the design aspect, you see that they are all following the same thing. Like it's very simple to compare. Like it's very simple to understand. Very easy. You follow the step right there, go to the design. Exactly what is being written here is what is being done, what's being projected or being designed. So I get with me.
Yes.
Yes.
So just write this one too in this thing. And project page 16, question 2, page 16, question 2. So don't forget to write your name at the top of your answer, your machine number and your department, and scan the submit. That was the secret by the lecturer. So let me drop this in chat.
Finish up now. Finish up.
Are you all still with me? Are you writing it down?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. Okay, for Elizabeth, what I said is that okay, let me go back to the screen. Coming. This is the first assignment. For people that are just joining in now, this is the first assignment. So you write it down in project in page 10. This project 1 in page 10. So, and you can write the same thing as you say it there. Just copy and paste to page 10, or you change some words there to make it different and unique. But don't change the figures in number 2, 17 and 60. So that is answer for number 1 question. And if the writing is very big, you can write it in page 10 and 11. The 2 pages are for analysis. You want to say anything?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I have a question. I'm sorry, my question is too much. Like now, you said that page 9, because this page 9, it has 1A. It has 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D, 1E. And yeah, I'm saying 1, and I'm saying this in Roman figure. So I don't understand actually.
1A. You said the program should accept the student's full name, faculty department, graduation number, and years. That one, you see it in design. What they're asking of us in 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D, 1E is that after we already analyze it, that okay, this is what we wanted to do. Like this is what I want to do and produce. Then they now ask us that how will it look like? So the function and the operating is what they're asking of us in 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D, 1E. So we get to design, we understand deeply about the 1A and 1B. All of that. I will explain very well when we get that. Do you get it?
Yes, I've gotten it. Thank you.
Yeah. I'm going to design. What do you say? So project 1, I want to drop the link for you guys to. Okay, everybody that is there is in this thing. Year 1, right? Majority. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, you're in year
So
1.
I'll drop the PDF. I'll drop the PDF to Eniola now on WhatsApp. So you send it to the link on this one and this is. So Eniola check your WhatsApp. Okay, so it's there already on WhatsApp. So send it to them. Then if you're not joining now, write project 1 in page 10 and project 2 in page 16. So you can change the word that is there, but which one is making sense. And you can leave it the way it is like that. Just copy face to face. Copy and paste.
No,
And also,
sorry,
okay, what do they say?
I'm sorry. When you said the fact that we can change the words that are there, actually, because no, I'm not saying any word.
That I can change,
I'm not saying
Abby.
any word we can change. Actually, yeah. Because
That is just it.
because
The reason why, sorry, the reason why I said so because some people are like, they don't want to, they are scared of copying the work word for word. So that's why I said so. I'm saying that I can't change it. But in case you have any other way that I can change it, that's why I'm saying that I will change it. Do you understand?
yeah, I understand. But man, I don't think I
So if you can't change it, just copy the way it is.
change you.
So I want to close this right now. If you are joining now, please go and chat Eniola and ask about it. He explained to you. I've already said this PDF of it, project 1 and 2. So I want to close and go to the back. So we spend more time on this, like 5 minutes we will do with project 1 and 2 in grade 10 and 16. Write it down. So I want to okay, can you see this? Pause.
Yes.
Which one are you seeing now? Is it which one are you seeing now? Is it same thing or different one?
Pythagoras theorem analysis.
Okay. I want to close down.
Pythagoras theorem analysis.
Okay. I have a message. Okay. Can you all see this?
Yes.
Okay, this is design. This design. Actually, if we are to submit this to the lecturer in soft copies, I have to give everybody this page with their full name and their matric number showing. But since we are submitting the one we have in hard copy, we have to draw it. They have to change the name, the matric number, and the course. Then the course that is there. Anything that deal with name, matric number, and the course, and the course code and the course, just change it. Do exactly what you are saying. And I will explain what it is one by one according to the question. Are you with me?
Yes, we are.
Okay.
Yes.
Number 1A. The program should accept the student full names, faculty, department, matric number, and years. So I can see on the screen, the full name is there. There's a space for full name where you can input your name. And also the faculty is there. That is 1A. I'm answering the question in 1A using design. And also the this thing is the department is there, and our Martin number is there too with years. So that shows that number one is being answered. So if the lecturer say this in your book, you know that yes, you know what you are doing because you create a box and you name the box full name which you can input your name inside. That is that's what your 1A is all about. And when you go to data analysis, we check number one. Number one is for 1A, which says users details, full name, supporting department, number, and years. That is what is being input by the right of the diagram showing on the screen. Obtain mark in each courses. That one is being shown in by the left and diagram on the screen. And units for each course is there as well. And also the scores for each course is there as well. So that shows that everything that I stated in analysis one is appearing in design, isn't it?
Yes.
So that means we are following our step in data in project analysis, and but we did go to the coding aspect, but this is the design aspect first. I will spin back again. That is for number 1A. Then number 2, it said number 1B, it said it should also be able to accept from the students user a maximum of 8 courses. As we can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, isn't it? So that means we are following the so it's 8 courses that is there. That is 1B. Are you guys with me? Hello.
Sorry, excuse me.
Yes.
I'm lost at that 1B.
1B.
I don't understand to say that 1B.
Yeah, 1B.
Yeah.
That means if you are drawing the diagram for design, it has to be 8 courses box the way it is on the screen. You have to draw inside your paper in page 12. Okay, 12. So that is one.
Sorry, but since it said a maximum of 8 courses, does that mean like I can put 7?
Yes, you can put 4, you can put 5. That should the uniqueness with you.
Oh,
So
okay, so just not be beyond 8.
8, yes.
And because when they make that all the units must be this, all the course must be 2 units.
No, it can be 4 units, it can be 3 units, it can be 1 unit. And the scores might be 64 and be 50. And also, if you want to draw the box, you can make it cycle. Instead of making it in rectangle, you can make it cycle. Just design it in your own aspect. Like I see you are seeing it with life. So
Okay.
I don't know if it can create this one is in rectangle, make your own in square or make it in cycle. But I think rectangle is okay. Or cycle, either of the two. Or you can make it this one. What is the name?
Sorry, I'm very sorry. I used to ask a lot of questions. For that 1A, sir, you didn't talk about the year. Should year be level 1?
Is there now? See it here. Under the department, the year is there, but the other screen is covering it. That
yes, that's my point. Actually.
Yes, that one that is covering it. The reason why it pop up is because when you click on calculate, it pop up that it shows your GPA. So by showing your GPA, we are following the last one, about 1A. So keep wait, I'm still coming back there. So let's go to 1C. Students should be able to enter scores. That is score there for each of the courses taken. That is 1C. Then 1D, final program should give us output. So the output is what you are seeing there. That is the output. That small box. That is the output. You can put your own output by the right or by the left or on top or below. Just make it different. Don't put at the center. Don't copy other people that put in the center. Just make it different. So then put your own preferable GPA, maybe 5.0 or 4.3 or anyone. Then your name should be there, particular number and department. So guys, that means we already answered number 1 to G. One number E says the program should be developed in Visual Basic. As you can see on the screen, everything is developed in Visual Basic. So I'm going to, after Saturday, after we just submitted our own, I'll be giving Enola 5 of these design pages without the full name, matric number, and years. It will be blank. So I don't know how you guys will fill it. I'll send you a link of a website if I can edit an image. So you can put your name, screenshot, in case they have to back up any movement. So you have to with you. Is that okay?
Yes, it is. Thank you.
Yeah.
Sorry, please, can we get the source code for the program?
The source code.
Yeah.
You mean the coding,
Like,
right?
this is the result. The code itself, yes.
Yes, that is for implementation.
Yeah.
Yeah, you get
Like,
it. Just come down. I'm going there.
okay.
I'm going there one by one.
Okay.
Going there one by one. So this is there's a name they call it. It's not actually diagram they call it in programming.
Please, I have a question now.
What is the question?
Okay. I was logged due to information data, so I came in and I made this. Should this one be under implementation or this?
What is it? Again.
Why should we do this one?
Is it design?
Should be on design.
On design, yes, page 12. On design, page 12. Just do it in page 12. Remember,
I will have to do it like this.
what is it?
The same way it is here. That's the way I'll draw it.
Yes, but you can change the courses. You can make your course to be 5. That is
I know the course, the course codes and
everything. You can make the boss to be 5, the unit to be 4, change the name, department, all those things.
What about this SGPA result or report?
Sorry, please, let me get the code. The code.
Calm down, you get the code. I'm still online, we're still online, just come. So just input exactly what I see here and put in your own different format. Is there a month it should be like this? So everything that is there, how to show in your own design as well. So this is the flow chart. So this is flow chart of it. Flow chart. So for the design, this is flow chart. You can either draw that one or write this. They are the same thing. The lecturer will accept it. If you don't want to go through the steps of you drawing the diagram, you can put flow chart instead. So they both say the same thing. Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
So I want to ask a question.
Ask.
Okay, this process now, like if I wish, can I just design only?
What do you say?
Can I see those shots as like design only and not George?
Yes. Make it different, unique. You don't need to put, and you can put the two of them. It's the same thing. You say everybody should get the same 30 marks. That is it. Put the two, put one.
Okay, so this flow chart is still under the design, Abi?
Yes, under design.
Okay.
So, that is for page 12 and 13. Page 12 and 13. So I will send the PDF to Eniola as well. But I can say if you are still joining it, you can still draw. So I want to go to project the second one. So I'm going down. So this is for the project 2, question 2, photograph drawing. So this is for the design. That is page 18 and 19. Page 18. This one is very simple to iterate. Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay, so this is for page 18, design as well. So all what you need to do is just draw exactly what is there, change the figures, maybe 30, anything, value of A, B, C. As I'm doing so, okay, just change it, yeah. Just change it. So you can change the box to circle, or leave it at a rectangle is nothing as well.
Okay.
So, or can use square, yeah. But make it look beautiful.
Also, what's value of A? Can we just try just A, B, C instead of putting value at the back?
No. According to the question, you have to write value. According to the design, yes. Let me explain it. According to the analysis that we wrote, the program should accept the value of M and N. So you have to be there. Having checked the radio button, the program should give the value of A, B, and C. I think you can write it ABC too. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, you can write ABC too. You don't want to write value of A, value of C, ABC. According to what is that I wrote down here. The program should use an if statement to generate the corresponding value. So if statement in the analysis of the project 2 is a repetition of S if. I don't know if we all know about the programming stage like for loop, array, and just like that. So in Visual Basic, we use for loop and also array encoding, also function and other things like that. So for us to able to get random to get the correct answer, we use if statement to generate it. So that one is coding. And that the coding that was much better. And this is a flow chart. This is flow chart for it. This is the flow chart. I've sent the PDF to Enola now. Enola, are you still there?
I'm here.
I'll send it to you right now. So get other group to go and do the next one. Okay, it's there. Is there any question?
So far.
What is it?
I said I think it is understandable so far. So
Okay.
what we have now to do is the implementation. I want to ask the problem and problem what problem specification. Where are we going to fill that? Where are we going to write it? Or we don't have to write it?
You don't need to write it, it's already there. It's for you to understand it. Let me go back
Like problem
to
specification.
yes. According to using the laboratory manual, it
Analysis.
said specify the problem
Okay.
requirements forces you to say the problem clearly and unambiguously and to gain a clear understanding of what is required for its solution. So your objective is to eliminate unimportant aspects and zero in on the root problem. That means for you to read and understand, digest and remove those that you don't need out of it. The one that you need to use it, the one that you don't need to leave it. And this may not be as easy as it sounds. You may find you need more information from the person who posed the problem. So it's not easy to draft that design out, the analysis. I won't lie to you, it's not easy for you to draft that because before you can draft it out, you need to code. After coding, you have a design, you now draft analysis out. How that is it done? Do you get it? So for you to be able to code, you need to understand the problem first. And before you code, you need to draw what is needed in a paper. That is UI/UX of what is needed. And that what I just show you right now, the design, UI design. So from there, you know what to code, and from there, you can add draft your data, your project analysis. So
Right now, we don't need to write down problem specification.
yes.
We can move to the next thing. Abi, is everybody okay? Not as I'm talking for everyone. You guys should talk.
Is everybody okay? Is there any question on project design and project analysis?
Excuse me, I have a question on that Pythagoras. Can you help me share your screen? Because I'm not seeing anything.
Okay.
On that flow chart you did. On that one you said group A, group B of no value of A, value of B, value of.
Can you see it now? Can you see it now?
I cannot still see it though, because I'm seeing your profile picture. No, I can't see it. I'm still seeing your profile
I'll
picture.
I'll resume it. Can you see it now?
It's showing now. It's clear.
Hello, can you see it now?
Yeah.
How about now?
I think it's good.
Let me see what you're doing.
Maybe his network is bad.
Okay. Because it's showing here and everything.
Yeah, I can see it on my end.
Okay. I'll be sending it to Enola, so send it to you guys. And is there mail on the group?
So?
Maybe
Something up to you. Consistency you have to fine. Down.
are we good to go? Enola?
Yes.
Okay. Is there Miriam on the group? Miriam? Anybody bearing Miriam on the group?
Miriam? No, maybe it's too.
How many people are online now?
When I check, it's about 20.
20 now.
Yes.
Where's my website?
Okay, I'm on to the next one now. Is there any question?
No.
Hello? Yeah. Good evening. How are you? Have you
Hello, guys. Can you hear me? Hello.
Hi.
Yes.
I hope you guys are feeling well. Once the class is over, the film must start. You guys are doing the same.
Samuel,
I
please
can't hear
speak
you,
louder. I
please.
can't hear you.
As the class is being done, me, I'm doing my logbook already. The workbook,
Eh?
I'm doing my assignment already. Did you hear?
No,
Oh, Jesus.
I can't hear you.
I said I'm filling my logbook here. Hope you guys are doing the same.
Oh, I'm not yet feeling mine. No. I'll feel it later.
You did later. Okay, no problem, sir. Almost
I want
now.
to
What
like set.
presentation is done? Apart from the design that you are doing, so I'm
Hello,
doing
can you
other.
hear me?
When are we submitting again?
It's Friday. I don't know the time. It'll be 12 a.m. But I'm not sure.
Okay, Friday.
Hello, what's up? Can you hear me?
Yes.
I just came online.
You missed. So is this?
Yeah?
Who is okay? Price left.
Yeah. Sorry.
I don't miss. So just wait. So I'll you shall share it. So far, the just how we're going to answer we're going to let our answers. You understand?
Hey, Eniola.
Yes.
Where is that guy? Has he gone?
No, it's coming. You went to call someone.
Okay.
Hello, sorry.
Wait for
I
him.
was making call.
Okay. I'll come back.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Come here. So this is the coding. How you see it?
Yes. Wow.
So is everybody here?
Yes, you're here.
Wait, you can come in. Hello, Ben, what's up? How far are you? Yes, I know. Okay. Are you with me now? Sorry. Hello. Hello, are you there? Can you hear me?
Me, I can hear you. Please continue.
Okay. Yeah. So this for project 1, page 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 14. Project 1, page 14. Are you with me?
Divide 1.4 by 2, 1.4 over 2 times doing 1. Oh, when you write 0, put point. The one we joined the 14, 7, 0.7.
Can you hear me? I'm coming. Can you see the
Hello,
screen?
Bola.
Who is talking? You can't feed the answer in landscape. Oh. I will tell you how you feed it. Just hold on. The coding aspect. Just hold on. Can you all hear me? What's happening? Enola, are you still there? Oh, God. Enola,
Yeah.
are you still there?
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
I can also hear you. Please.
You guys should not write the answer in landscape. I'll tell you where you write the meaning one. If the space in page 14 cannot occupy the project 1. Yes, you have to write everything in your logbook. So in page 14, you write all this one in page 14. So I want to explain.
How will you continue?
No, it won't contain it too. But if you go to page 26, you will go to page 26. You will see another one there. You will see meditation. Can you see it? Are you seeing it? Page
Page what?
26.
Oh, okay.
Page 26 and page 14. That's what you're writing. Because it's months. Do write it here too. You need to follow the rules in writing the code. That is so that the number is not the mark. Page 14 and page 26. That's what you're writing the code.
Even those 2 pages.
What is it?
Those 2 pages, I'm not sure to do now.
You have to make sure you squeeze yourself to write it as both as little as it. So make sure your writing is a little bit small and bold enough. So when especially
Can you speak?
So first rules of coding, in writing code, is that you have to follow the line. And you can say all the always is being arranged. exactly it is in years. That's where you write it down. Like if you check the first statement, D, the D1, the UI, the SGP. So they follow one line as it they'll be aligned together. Why also if and S statement they're on the same line, and under if S statement we have under if S statement, which that one is called nested if. That one is called nested if. So they are all aligned together. The alignment must be accordingly. That is just so
I have a question there.
you're writing that you're writing the code on computer.
Okay.
That that's what I mean. What's the question?
Uh, in between some integers and letters here, I can see in some places there was spacing, in some places there was no spacing. So do we go by exactly what we see?
Yes, space, dot, anything that you are saying, just put it there. But the space is not that important. The space is not that important. So you can see skip the space. But the signs that are there, position mark, comma, full stop, everything must be there. So the space is not important. But the alignment, the way you write it down, can be the same way in being shown on the screen. So is more than project.
Okay.
So this
Okay.
is project one. It stop here. It stop at end class. Exactly the way is
Okay.
it. Just as it in page 14 and page 46. Write it there. So once you write it there, I able to screenshot and submit the answer.
For page one.
Page 14 and 26. Now you write it. Make sure you squeeze yourself and write it there. Now you write it.
And this
Uh,
It's somehow stressful.
14 and okay. Mention for next one. Okay, that means for the second one, if the implementation cannot contain page 20, then we can write it on page 32.
No, if you contain it, that one is very simple. That one is small. Look at it.
Okay,
That one is small. This page two is small.
okay.
that is everything.
Yeah, that's everything for page
This
two.
one isn't much.
It's not much at all. That
This
is
one
page 20. Yes.
Mo ń ṣiṣẹ́, mo ṣe correction fún ìgbà yẹn lẹ fi pé ó yẹ kó ṣe ó padà wá ṣe ó ti lose concentration.
So I want
Ṣé wà ẹ pa máìkì yín o?
so I want to explain everything that is being written here according to what we have written so far, design and also the analysis. If you are just joining now, the analysis and the design has been sent to Enola PDF. So we sent to you. Then basically all the years already have been submitted to stay down. So just follow exactly the way I explained. Write exactly what it say for data for project analysis. Then under the design, you either draw the diagram or write flowchart, or you do the two. That is the summary of it. Why here? Write exactly what it say. alignment will be there and other things. Yeah. Alignment and other things.
Try.
So the first statement there, public class form 1. So I want to explain it. In visual basis, we have public and private class. We have class in coding aspect as well. We have form. So they benefit together. Public class form. We have private class form as well. So the class is to join like one or two people together. While form is like a box. Form is a box, a test box. That is being like form. And you can also call it button. According to the statement that we wrote in computer analysis one, we said button should be created. Yes. So the form is to create a box, test box. Why dim is a variable in which I basic. So, hello Daniel also. Good evening. Fine now. Oh, serious.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Sorry. I'll make it call. Is there any question?
Yes, I'm seeing something here. It's on the report. Do we have to do anything on the report?
No.
Do we have to do anything on the report?
Don't touch it. No. It's nothing. So as I was explaining, the game is a variable in visual basis. Public function is making this coding. It's one that actually make everything like shortcut for us. Making it public means that people should be able to see it. Why private means that what people cannot see. It's only you that code it that can see it. Like this coding asset now. If I did not show it to you and you're always seeing the design, you know that this is how it's being coded. So that's just how what do you mean by public and private. Why public function is one that combines so many code together and run it multiple times. That was what by function. And the grade there is plain English, normal grade. Then we have string. String is used for number. In visual basic, we have string, double, integer, and initial. Those are will be set number. So the string here we sent number, and if F statement is being used for the visual basic. So we have different kind of if statement. We have nested if, we have like four of them. Then after the program, for every program that you input, like the function, you have to end it. So I can run another code again. So that's another code. And to display it, you write display dot set equal to string dot format. That is to show the output of what we show in the design page. That is to show. Just explain how everything looks like. You can just go to it and write it out exactly what you are saying here. In case you can't write everything out, it's fine. And the two page cannot control it. You can go to page 32 of project 2. Yes, and write the menu one. But make sure that the number down, the page number is not showing. So that way you can make it work easier for you.
Even that 3 page it used to be enough to stuff is plenty. It used to be enough.
It will be enough now. It will. Okay, and this is project 2. Enola, I'm sending it to you now. The presentation. You can't change anything here. Just write exactly as what you are saying. That is just all. You can't change anything. Just write exactly as what you are saying. Okay, I'm sending it to you. So in the project 2, like we are showing, we have the same public class form, which is the form that we will seen in design. That is the button, and the double there means 2 decimal places. That was meant by double. Why single mean 1 decimal place? Then private sub. This one outside is inside. It's only you that code is the same private sub because they only input the number in the all the design that I gave to you guys. So when you put 5 and 10 and do calculate, it will show you all this thing that is there. So, but all that is there like public class form, all this one will show outside. But that is the M that want to kind of just have to explain it for you. Then that is all for project. So the first one you do is project analysis. Second one you're going to do is project design. While the last one is project implementation. The project 2 can be written in a page with 20 alone. So if you need the PDF, just ask Eniola. I'll send the PDF link to him. Is there any question? I'm having a day. Any question, Eniola?
I don't have any question.
Let me ask.
I
Let me
have
ask
a
your class.
question, Natalie.
What is that?
So everything you've been saying now. Example number one. But like that number one, what's your first solution? Is it that this is the problem? Analysis is the first, right? Analysis is the first we write.
Yes.
Then the next one, the flow chart. That one you told us that you can write the flow chart for one other one.
Yeah, you flow chart on the diagram.
The diagram. And the last one is this code, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
And remember, in every in your book, in your logbook, at the top, write your name, passport number, and the class name before you scan it.
I'm sure.
What do you say?
Ẹ lọ ṣe stress ìgbín. Ẹ ṣe stress àti ìgbín.
Thank you.
Lọ́sẹ̀.
Can we move to ourselves, please? Is there any question?
Why you now shaking? So you know you missed it.
Any question?
No question for me.
Amalara, is there any question?
No questions.
I see that you unmute yourself. Someone else is Don't forget to write your name and number and screenshot the front cover, the cover page, with your name and everything with it and the first page.
Our passport. Oh, no need. Cover page. To look at our passport.
No need. No put passport. Not the first page alone, no. The cover page. Where there's two diagrams there. Your name, I think number, first year, department of first. That's what you need to.
I was thinking.
Some people are just joining the meeting now. Someone should please explain to them. I always do the last recap now and then. If we end the meeting,
Oh wow, this laugh. Wow.
That should just
Mama go do anyhow.
don't do it anyhow. That's 30 marks.
Baba, if not 25, we'll collect.
Okay. Say, I will send a passport to Eniola. 700 questions with answer.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Thank you. Not to calm down.
So just to talk about the exam, 700 questions with answer. So
700.
I can even make it 1,000. Is it okay?
If I want 5, it's okay.
I'll send it to Enola. So out of this, they will ask you 60 questions or 50 questions in the exam. That is okay. So I want to end the class now by 7 p.m. I said, who is that?
Princess.
Princess, are you okay?
Please calm down.
Thank you.
Second semester, you gotta be doing CSC 120. Second semester.
Jesus, what is that about? It's all about
That one is purely coding. Yes. So
state management.
and just for us to have the basics. That's what they said though. They said basics. So
Let's not do the program for customers. I mean, we do programming for them. Now we're estimating their
Shut up, anyway. Sorry, I have a quick question.
not complain.
Concerning that diagram, are we meant to draw everything like the way you did it in the system?
yes.
Everything without everything like copy and paste.
Yes, for the project one, you can reduce the number of courses that you put in there. The one that is saying is 8 courses, so you can put it to 5, 3, or 6, depending on the way you want to do it. And you can shift your output to the
Sorry,
right.
excuse. If we do it like that,
What is that?
like our implementation, like 6 or 4 instead of that 8 for the CGPA. Is our coding
Oh, that is true. That means you need to reduce your coding. You did a lot of work, bro. Just copy and paste. You can't go to trade. That means if for the coding project one, you have to reduce the DIM 1, the DIM G1, G2, G3, G4, G5, G6, 7, 8. They represent the courses. Why U1, U2, U4, U5, U8 represent the scores, the unit. You can leave the scores. The only thing you edit, you are editing the design. Can you hear me?
Look at them. Your mommy's phone. Mother,
Enola. Enola is there.
So I'm here. I don't know my meter. I'm here, Javi.
Okay. The reason why I want to explain if they are going to reduce the design in project one. That is the course code and the unit and the what do you call it? The unit with the stuff. So if you are reducing it, that means you have to reduce in the project implementation as well. and that can only be done in just only in two places. The first two line after the public classroom in presentation. So if you are putting three, just reduce that one to three. If you are putting four, just reduce to four. The two that is eight there, that is all. Understand?
Okay.
Let me tell you to them. And also, sorry, under it, there's a page that is very long too. Private sub button. So if they are using it as a data reduce that place to three, down to three, even though it's four. So then the total grade, you need to reduce that one too. Then total unit, that in project implementation for project one.
Okay.
So if they are reducing the one of the design phase, and it can leave it to be 8, it doesn't matter. So the human know that everybody is doing 8, but the courses will be different. So you can't tell to put ESM 213 and put ESM 213. You can put any course, GSC 2.
Okay.
So it doesn't show anything at all. That's the answer. So I think we should do exactly the way it is. I said that to make work easier for everyone. There won't be anything like.
Yeah.
Is there any question or anything else again?
That is all. Thank you.
Yeah. So see you guys till second semester, CS 120. So you guys prepare for that one. You can start doing the class before second semester. So before second semester resume, you already choose the CS 120, the class. I have the all assignments they done during our own period because we did our test during the class, during our own class. And I was the one that did our class, and they pick only random. You show for your class, one person per class, that is 10 marks. So I don't know who among your classmates is very good in programming that you're able to do the test on that day, just one person in your class, and everybody will have 10 marks. And then can you hear me? So that is
I can
for
hear you.
CS 120. So maybe one person will volunteer to learn visual basis against your second semester for the test because the mark will pick one person alone for the whole
Visual
class.
basic.
Visual basis. So
So we don't just better program.
there'll be a lot of assignments, the one in coding, and there'll be a class assignment too. So all those one was being done by me during my own period for our class. So then during the exam, I have so many PQ for you on CSC 120. So that one is like 1,000 plus past question. I don't know if you can finish that and go set, but in case you can finish it for the exam.
Well, shall we keep updated? Maybe I'll volunteer myself.
Okay. So till then, I wish you guys best of luck in FS 113. It's not about what you read though. It's about what you believe you can put in the exam. SCP exam is very funny.
The exam is like this.
What is OBJ? Yes, OBJ up to everything OBJ.
Of a lot of this binary numbers. That's stupid. What is it called?
There will be binary will be there. Let's say 2 or 5, or depending on the random. It's random question for everybody. So if you are lucky, you might not be able to reach.
How many questions?
They will upload like 200 plus questions to the computer and to shuffle it for everyone. If luckily your own doesn't have any bearing or anything like a calculation, fine, you are good to go. That means you should have your A's. So just pay that goes before you.
When the exam, how many are in the as in per person? Is it 50 person will attend or 100?
For the exam. Everybody will look at the same time. It's 1 hour.
And how many questions are we going to meet? That's what I'm asking.
Expect 50 questions. But nonetheless, because of the online of the thing, don't make it easier for themselves too. But expect 50 questions. I think during our time, okay, we are not even done it. Doing CSC, we did 50 questions or 60 during CSC. So we have not done it before. But people that did it before, I will ask them and pass it across for you.
Thank you.
I will say that the design is very simple. Don't be scared. Make sure you read your textbook too. No matter what the past question and everything you have, make sure you read your textbook. It's very simple. That's what I was being told. by my friend that did it, that's still doing it. So all our exams will be simple.
Yeah, thank you so much. Don't forget to share me the record, you know.
I will. I will.
All right. Thank you.
Bye for now. Thank you all.
Thanks to you. Bye.